दो चीज़ों से ग्रेट आर्किटेक्चर बनती है, अ ग्रेट आर्किटेक्ट एंड अ ग्रेट क्लाइंट। एंड दो चीज़ों से आर्किटेक्चर फिर से बनती है, नीड, डिमांड एंड कियोस। चंडीगढ़ जैसा जिसको हम सच अ प्लान्ड ब्यूटीफुल सिटी बोलते हैं ना, ये इस कियोस की वजह से।
What I learned, what I took from Chandigarh is love of bricks. Initially, I knew only marble as a material, but then love of bricks came naturally. So in every building, the brick has to be there.
My father, my family left everything in Pakistan. I'm a son of a refugee. And I'm very proud of it. I'm a son of a refugee. वो अलग बात है कि उन्होंने अपनी मेहनत से कुछ नाम बना लिया। हम कितना फॉर ग्रांटेड लेते हैं ना लोगों को, अपने माँ बाप को, अपने बच्चों को, अपने पीयर्स को, टीचर्स को, ऐसे लोगों को जिन्होंने हमें वो चीज़ दी है जिसको हम देख के बड़े खुश हैं। And we just don't want to know how and why this happened, and that becomes my process of educating you. कमाल की बात है ना यार कि हिंदुस्तान को मैं कैसे उस मुकाम पे लाऊं, वर्ल्ड कहे कि they have come to the modern world through architecture. So पंडित नेहरू को पहले पता लग गया था कि मुझे अपना देश अगर उस मुकाम पे लाना है, which they say that we have arrived, and that was through a new city. A great people these people were. He made those IAS officers wait outside for 1 week. नहीं आना मेरे को। हम लोगों ने ऐसी इमेज बनाई थी, छोड़ो हम लोगों ने, ब्रिटिशर्स ने हमारी इमेज बनाई थी। And when they said that, sir, will you come and work in India? He says, नहीं, I'm very afraid of snakes. I'm very afraid of elephants. अरे यार, हमारे देश में साले सांप थे। But that's the image the colonial Britishers made for us. We go after the image, not the personality, not the person. So they convinced him, sir, there are no snakes hanging from the trees. It's all okay, you can work. The image deferred him to come to India. वो अलग बात है that today we have this. ये 4 foreigners and brothers, friends at the back, 4 foreigners gave us the greatest Indian city. लोग कहते थे इनको समझ है क्या इंडिया की, हमारा क्लाइमेट डिफरेंट है, हम लोग डिफरेंट है, कल्चर डिफरेंट है। अरे यार देखो यार, वी आर्किटेक्ट्स आर सो सेंसिबल, यू नो, वी कैन बी एनीवेयर एंड वर्क एनीवेयर। इन्होंने स्टडी किया सब कुछ, एंड वी हैव द ग्रेटेस्ट सिटी। माय फादर इज 93, ही मस्ट बी इन द ऑफिस एट दिस टाइम एंड वर्किंग। वो जो लोग हैं ना, वो जनरेशन अपार्ट है। इन लोगों के हाथ में जब तक पेंसिल है, इनकी सांसें चलती हैं। अमेजिंग पीपल दे आर। एंड उनको खांसी होती है, हम उनको कफ सिरप नहीं देते, हम उनको पेंसिल देते हैं कि भाई स्केच बना लो और सब ठीक हो जाएगा। ली कर्बूजियर टॉट माय फादर कि जब तक वो माइंड से इमेज पेपर पे ना निकल आए, थ्रू द डेक्सटेरिटी ऑफ योर हैंड्स इन 3rd डायमेंशन, तब तक आर्किटेक्चर नहीं हो सकती। सो जो आनंद लेते हैं हम लोग, पहले पेंटिंग से, फिर पोइट्री से, फिर उसको ड्राइंग बनाने में, वो आनंद जो है वो कंटिन्यूटी में होना चाहिए। द मोमेंट यू लूज द इंटरेस्ट, द मोमेंट यू लूज द वंडरफुल पोइटिक इफेक्ट इन आर्किटेक्चर, वी आर ओनली मेकिंग स्लैब्स एंड वी आर नॉट हेयर फॉर दैट। दिस इज व्हाट वी लर्नड। बच्चे पढ़ते हैं ना, तो उनको कहता हूँ मत पढ़ना, मत पढ़ना भाई, बिकॉज दिस विल नॉट allow you to be an architect at all. मैंने अपने प्रोफेशन को उधेड़ दिया। Somebody had to laugh at it. I did it.
What I tell every student, I teach in a college also as a visitor.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे आके, एंड मेंटर्स हैं। I would like to name certain people who have been really inspiring me. Ashok Goel sir, who inspires everybody, भले वो architect हो, practitioner हो, student हो. Vivek is here. Rajiv is here, Sabina is here, and all those people. And where is Kamlesh? जिसकी वजह से हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं वो नहीं है. But I think इस तरह की चीज़ें ऑर्गेनाइज करना बड़ा कठिन होता है. So I think 3 cheers to Nexnos and Kamlesh. अब तक जो आपने सुना है उसका मैं कॉन्ट्रेरी बोलने वाला हूँ. Because I am not a method actor nor a method architect. जो फ्लो में होती हैं चीज़ें मैं वैसे बोलता हूँ. बिल्डिंग्स जैसे मैं कहता हूँ वो पीछे रहती हैं. They don't need any explanation. I come from Chandigarh, friends. अभी तक हम हेरिटेज की बात कर रहे थे. अभी तक we are in a place which has so much of history, so much of civilization. मैं आपको एक मॉडर्न सिविलाइजेशन स्टोरी बताता हूँ. 2 चीज़ों से ग्रेट आर्किटेक्चर बनती है. A great architect and a great client. And 2 चीज़ों से आर्किटेक्चर फिर से बनती है. नीड, डिमांड एंड कियोस. चंडीगढ़ जैसा जिसको हम सच अ प्लान्ड ब्यूटीफुल सिटी बोलते हैं ना, ये इस कियोस की वजह से. आप लोगों को वो शायद कनेक्शन ही नहीं है. People from South India, they come to me and they say, why was Chandigarh built at the first place? And tell them, ask me. My father, my family left everything in Pakistan. I'm a son of a refugee. And I'm very proud of it. I'm a son of a refugee. वो अलग बात है कि उन्होंने अपनी मेहनत से कुछ नाम बना लिया. But then, this is the way things happened. And that's why out of the chaos, there was a need to create that sanctity, that sanity, self-esteem, pride जो हमने खो दी. And that's very important for me to tell you, friends, because I'm talking to my contemporaries. इनको जानने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे पता है कि जो मैं इनको थोड़ा सा बताने वाला हूँ वो शायद इनके लिए भी नया होगा. This is the person who gave us the new India. हम कितना फॉर ग्रांटेड लेते हैं ना लोगों को, अपने माँ बाप को, अपने बच्चों को, अपने पीयर्स को, टीचर्स को, ऐसे लोगों को जिन्होंने हमें वो चीज़ दी है जिसको हम देख के बड़े खुश हैं. And we just don't want to know how and why this happened, and that becomes my process of educating you. कमाल का शख्स था ये. हमारे फादर कहते हैं, he worked 18 hours a day. He would come and paint, then do sculpture, then do writing, then do some poetry, painting, and then do architecture. He was also an architect. कमाल का शख्स था. मुझे लगता है कि उससे पहले डा विंची थे, उसके बाद कर्बूजियर थे. सस्टेनेबिलिटी की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग, बहुत बात करते हैं हम लोग. ग्रीन, सस्टेनेबल, लीड and local materials, etc., etc. मैंने कल जब I was in that panel with Sabina and I told her, by the way, Sabina's father, Mr. Shah, and my father, they were colleagues. They all worked with Corbusier. ये जो चीज़ें जो हम देखते हैं चंडीगढ़ में, every day we have people coming in. Every day, क्या students हैं, क्या foreigners हैं. So there must be something right in it. और ये जो sustainable materials हैं, ये सब हम अभी भी वहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं. सबसे बड़ी जो योगदान है चंडीगढ़ का, ली कर्बूजियर का, इन मास्टर्स का, इट्स बेसिकली हाउ दे गिव अस फ्री स्पेसेस. बिल्ड स्पेसेस तो दे ही रहे हैं सब लोग, ये तमाम लोग दे रहे हैं फ्री स्पेसेस का. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक टू यू अबाउट टुडे. अ ग्रेट क्लाइंट. कमाल की बात है ना यार कि हिंदुस्तान को मैं कैसे उस मुकाम पे लाऊं, वर्ल्ड कहे कि दे हैव कम टू द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड थ्रू आर्किटेक्चर. सो पंडित नेहरू को पहले पता लग गया था कि मुझे अपना देश अगर उस मुकाम पे लाना है which they say that we have arrived, and that was through a new city. वो अलग बात है कि वो मिस्टर कर्बूजियर कैसे आए, उसकी एक बड़ी कहानी है. एंड a great people these people were. He made those IAS officers wait outside for 1 week. नहीं आना मेरे को. हम लोगों ने ऐसी इमेज बनाई थी, छोड़ो हम लोगों ने, ब्रिटिशर्स ने हमारी इमेज बनाई थी. एंड व्हेन दे सेड दैट sir, will you come and work in India? He says, nahi, I'm very afraid of snakes. I'm very afraid of elephants. अरे यार, हमारे देश में साले सांप थे. But that's the image the colonial Britishers made for us. We go after the image, not the personality, not the person. So they convinced him, sir, there are no snakes hanging from the trees. It's all okay, you can work. The image deferred him to come to India. वो अलग बात है that today we have this. I'm very happy to see Mukul, my old friend here, all the way from Delhi, and with all the things. ये सब लोग हमें inspire करते हैं. ये 4 foreigners and brothers, friends at the back, 4 foreigners gave us the greatest Indian city. लोग कहते थे इनको समझ है क्या इंडिया की, हमारा क्लाइमेट डिफरेंट है, हम लोग डिफरेंट है, कल्चर डिफरेंट है. अरे यार देखो यार, we architects are so sensible, you know, we can be anywhere and work anywhere. इन्होंने स्टडी किया सब कुछ, and we have the greatest city. I'm very happy to see some students from Ayojan here, and they say, Sangeet sir, we came to Chandigarh a few years ago, and we heard you, and we're very inspired. Fine. A lot of people from South India come to me and ask me कि यार ये finish क्यों नहीं है? तो मैं उनको ये कहता हूँ कि पैसे खत्म हो गए थे. A man from Kerala, क्या बताऊँ उसको मैं भाई कि ये this concrete, this pleasure of touching the concrete, that rawness is so beautiful. It's ethereal. The whole experience is so ethereal, and it ages beautifully. 70 साल पुरानी इमारत है, अभी भी वैसी है. ये सब कलर्स नए नहीं हैं भाई. Chandigarh is exemplary in not its just creation, in its position, in its functioning. This is what I do. Mr. Doshi जब तक 82, 85 के थे, he used to come every year, stay with us. और मैं उनसे पूछता था कि क्या अंकल वही कैपिटल कॉम्प्लेक्स में जाना है, करना है? And he says, I'm learning architecture. At the age of 80, he says he's learning architecture. अब मेरे को महसूस होता है जब मैं लोगों को लेके जाता हूँ, इतना बूढ़ा नहीं हुआ मैं, I'm just saying कि मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि I'm learning architecture. कमाल के लोग थे यार ये. जो सबसे बड़ी देन है चंडीगढ़ की, for my architect friends, it is the whole generation which they created. पहली जितनी जनरेशन है, कोरिया साहब, राजेवाल साहब, अमिंदर साहब, आनंद राजे साहब, राम शर्मा साहब, इन सब का इंस्पिरेशन चंडीगढ़ है ना. जस्ट इमेजिन कि ये चीज़ इंडिया में ना होती, हम शायद उस इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे ना होते. It's just my opinion, because modernism, modern architecture developed right in India. We have Louis Kahn, we have Otto Kunsberger. I think the biggest चीज़ दी है चंडीगढ़ ने is how to include people. लेकर गुजर के लोग buildings देखते हैं, टाउन प्लानिंग देखते हैं, बट उनकी एक बात हमें नहीं समझ आई, that he was the one who gave us participative architecture. A lot of people ask me, ये इतना बड़ा कोड क्यों दिया है, and it's slowly growing. You get so passionate when you are there. You get so involved when you are there. And a lot of people say, sir, यहाँ पे it's very bare, it's very barren. It is, but then there is some energy which is left. कमाल के visionary लोग हैं वो. Architects तो हम लोग हैं. They were visionaries. My architect friend from Bangalore who is always there and taking them around. Taking them around is such a story that you understand about this dignity of labor, democratic values. ये सब चीज़ें हमने यहाँ से सीखी हैं. और जब हम बात करते हैं how to carry forward, it is through this. So same stories होती हैं. पिछले 20 साल से हम ये करते हैं. मैंने कहा यार सेम सवाल पूछते हैं सब लोग. मैंने किताब लिख दी, मैंने वही सवाल हैं, वही आंसर्स हैं. I wrote the book, very popular book. It's translated now into about 7 languages. क्योंकि ये बात बड़े सरल करते हैं. I like to speak in a very thing which people can understand. So इस तरह के sketches हैं उसके अंदर. Participative architecture को मैं कैसे आगे ले गया. एक बड़ी कमाल की बात बताऊँ मैं आपको फ्रेंड्स. Being from Chandigarh, when we work outside, a lot of people say that you're from Chandigarh. आप कंक्रीट में बनाते होंगे. So I said कि नहीं यार, कंक्रीट में नहीं बनाते, कंक्रीट में भी बनाते हैं. So this is a project in Coimbatore which we have an office there. तो slowly वो चीज़ हम values आगे लेके जाते हैं. We are not carrying the style. I mean, we don't have the same style between Purnima, my wife, or my father, or my son. I mean, we have all individuality, and that's what architecture is all about. My father is 93. He must be in the office at this time and working. वो जो लोग हैं ना, वो जनरेशन अपार्ट है. इन लोगों के हाथ में जब तक पेंसिल है, इनकी सांसें चलती हैं. अमेजिंग पीपल दे आर. एंड उनको खांसी होती है, हम उनको कफ सिरप नहीं देते, हम उनको पेंसिल देते हैं कि भाई स्केच बना लो और सब ठीक हो जाएगा. दिस इज व्हाट वी लर्न, एंड द होल आइडिया वाज टू क्रिएट बैलेंस बिटवीन क्लाइमेटोलॉजी. दिस ह्यूज कॉलम्स, कनेक्टिविटी. मुझे बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. माई फादर टेल्स मी कि अगर बिल्डिंग अच्छी है तो अच्छी है. मैं जितना भी अपना सिर पीट लूँ, it won't make it any better. But anyway, what I'm talking about is the philosophy behind it, the need of it, which is more important. Le Corbusier taught my father कि जब तक वो माइंड से इमेज पेपर पे ना निकल आए, through the dexterity of your hands in third dimension, तब तक आर्किटेक्चर नहीं हो सकती. That's why we have sketches of Le Corbusier. आप उसके sketches नाप सकते हो. So we developed that. I'm telling you how we carry forward the legacy, the policy, the values, not the style. So this is a project in Jalandhar which I did, and starting from the painting, starting from the cubism. So जो आनंद लेते हैं हम लोग पहले पेंटिंग से, फिर पोइट्री से, फिर उसको ड्राइंग बनाने में, वो आनंद जो है वो कंटिन्यूटी में होना चाहिए. द मोमेंट यू लूज द इंटरेस्ट, द मोमेंट यू लूज द वंडरफुल पोइटिक इफेक्ट इन आर्किटेक्चर, वी आर ओनली मेकिंग स्लैब्स एंड वी आर नॉट हेयर फॉर दैट. दिस इज व्हाट वी लर्नड. ये सब गुरुओं से सीखा हुआ है हमने, खुद कुछ नहीं सीखा हुआ, ना कुछ सीख के आता इंसान. ये एक तो गुरु दक्षिणा है. We all are grateful to our teachers. We all are grateful to our peers, our mentors, our parents because of all this. An open air theater, we used the broken tiles on top of this, long corridors, same bricks, same vernacular stuff, जो हमने अब से नहीं 70 साल से देख रहे हैं. There was always a lot of people used to ask me, sir कैसा लगता है growing under a big father, under a very famous person. कोई प्रोफेशन हो, वो बेचारा अभिषेक बच्चन भी क्यों ना हो, बड़ी परेशानी होती है. You have to carve your own niche, and my son is sitting here, he's smiling, he says मेरा क्या होगा पापा. So that's okay. So वो agony, ecstasy जो उस समय मेरी आई, वो मैंने किताब लिखी है. It became a textbook in theory of design. How you evolve architecture, how you relate with architecture, how you combine your aesthetic sense, your agony, ecstasy, ये उसके अंदर था. ये एक very latest project है. ये एक गवर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग है. It's a laboratory complex. पंजाब में जो IAS अफसर होते हैं ना, उनको समझाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. एक तो पंजाबी, ऊपर से घमंडी, ऊपर से IAS ऑफिसर, और that's okay. So उनको ये चीज़ देना, if you can study the, we have a cubist monism, ये forms, ये natures, this kind of corridors, the materiality, it became an emblem in the design of laboratory design. It just completed, and CM साहब जो आजकल के हैं, he came to inaugurate, and the first thing he said, there's a lady who is the director, she says, Madam जी, आप बाहर हो, ये ऑफिस कल से मेरा होगा. He says, how dare you have a better space to be in which I don't have, and that's the kind of spirit. These are corridors. यहाँ पे सारे services वगैरह सारी होती हैं, and you have this ability. So we hide from them things like geometry, architectural language, significance, sustainability. ये सब बातें नहीं हम करते हैं. We talk about their requirement and explicitly do our design because we are benefiting them. It is not going to benefit me, it's going to benefit them. This is again what we learned, and it's here. ये खासकर ये कुछ sayings में लेके आया था कि जो पीछे जो लोग बच्चे बैठे हैं, they will read it. बड़ी early age से, जहाँ से मैं इनको सबको कहता हूँ, the first internship makes your mind. The first brush with architecture is when you meet somebody. ये सब दुरंत लोग जिनको आपने सुना, आपने देखा, it changes your mind. And Le Corbusier ने ये लिखा कि anything can change your direction. एक शब्द, एक पैटर्न, एक कलर, एक लाइन, एक आवाज, it can change your thinking, especially in architecture. ये कन्वेंशन सेंटर बनाया हमने. बहुत से लोगों को मैं बेवकूफ़ बना देता हूँ. दिस इज़ इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. कहते हैं हाँ इंडिया में तो बन नहीं सकता. मैं कह रहा यार कॉम्बे टूर में है यार, क्या है कुछ भी नहीं है. बट देन अगेन द क्लाइंट मैटर्स, अगेन दैट इंस्टिंक्ट मैटर्स. इट्स अ अपॉर्चुनिटी विच यू गॉट. 3,500 का ऑडिटोरियम है एंड ही वॉज वेरी एम्बिशियस. सो मेरे को देखना था कि अगर मेरी बिल्डिंग्स पीछे हैं मैं कुछ बहुत ऊंचा ना बना दूँ. So we had to make it little curved down. We had to make it little very efficient, that it doesn't bang on your eyes. They're my most modern projects. और ये challenge खुद को किया, challenge builders को किया. ये glass ऐसे भी curved है, ऐसे भी curved है. Participative spaces की बात कर रहा था मैं friends. ये जो background है ना इसका, this became a participation for the fashion show. The building backdrop becomes a place where we can perform, and this became so beautiful. It was so nice. मैं इनको iconic structures नहीं बता सकता. I call it passionate structures. What's iconic? Iconic can be even a small hut. जिसके अंदर passion है वो iconic है. बड़ा iconic नहीं होता. ऐसा हमें सिखाया गया. So these are the new buildings with the new materiality. We don't lose our faith. मटेरियलिटी की बात कर रहा हूँ. कर्बूजियर इसलिए है क्योंकि उस समय कंक्रीट था. इवन ही कुड हैव सेड कि नो इट्स अ न्यू मटेरियल, व्हाई शुड आई एक्सपेरिमेंट. अगर गलत हो गया, ही डिड इट. दैट्स बिकॉज ही यूज्ड द मटेरियल अवेलेबल एट दैट टाइम. सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू लूज दैट. आई एम बीइंग contemporary about my architecture. I gave example last time, how one building can lift the city's status. ये सब वैल्यूज हम पीछे से देखते आ रहे हैं, चलते आ रहे हैं. Nothing is new. I do not claim it to be new at all. I have just given it the molded perfection the way I feel. It's my perception. I think वो जो satisfaction element है ना, वो सबसे बड़ी फीस होती है. Unfortunately, and we have this bad, and IAS officers know that we architects can work for free. ऐसी इमेज भी नहीं बननी चाहिए. हम लोग बेवकूफ़ लोग हैं. वी टेल देम कि नहीं सर मुझे काम दे दो, मुफ्त में कर देंगे. इट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. आई थिंक अशोक सर ने मुझे एक बार बताया कि तुम्हारी बुक्स बड़ी लाइट हैं. मैंने कहा सर जब हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स थे तो आर्किटेक्ट्स इतना बोरिंग बोलते थे. लिखते तो बहुत ही बोरिंग हैं हम लोग. पता नहीं क्या लिखते हैं हम लोग, कोई नहीं पढ़ता. कोई मैगजीन किसी ने पढ़ी है? नहीं, देखिए सिर्फ. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग आई सेड वाज आई विल नेवर राइट बोरिंग, नेवर स्पीक बोरिंग. दैट्स व्हाई माय बुक्स आर in firm connection. Then I wrote these books. ये कुछ essays हैं और some of buildings. Through the buildings I've been talking about architecture in terms. ये मेरी एक आखिरी किताब लिखी थी मैंने, Castles in the Air. मैं आपको इसलिए दिखा रहा हूँ कि writing and building go hand in hand. क्योंकि अगर मैं कहते थे ना कि reading makes you better, writing makes you perfect. This is the satire on architecture, और it's called Castles in the Air. बच्चे पढ़ते हैं ना तो उनको कहता हूँ मत पढ़ना भाई, because this will not allow you to be an architect at all. मैंने अपने प्रोफेशन को उधेड़ दिया. Somebody had to laugh at it. I did it. So this is Castles in the Air. Understanding of a unique urban experiment. चंडीगढ़ में हर चीज़ यूनिक है. Horticulture, landscape, street furniture, architecture, buildings, proportions, scale, magnificence, magnitude, materiality, concrete, सब कुछ is worth researching. This is my work in Hamirpur. 2 more minutes. This is again working on hills. It's so beautiful. Participative architecture was something which I was trying to talk about. How I see my buildings through a participation. I see my buildings. Yes, I'm posing there. वो अपनी बिल्डिंग पे जब पोज करते हैं ना बड़ा मज़ा आता है, क्योंकि बिल्डिंग इस लायक होनी चाहिए कभी कभी कि पोज करते हैं अच्छा लगे. So there are some of the students who work on this open air theatres. Through this open air theatre, I am watching my building. So you are participating, everybody's there, working, functioning, performing, and they are around the building, they are around the architecture which you create. And that's what we learned from Chandigarh. That's what we learned from the masters and peers, that this becomes an important emblem. जोड़ती है चीज़ को, participation buildings को जोड़ देती है, and that's what is important. Bare buildings become only essential commodities. ये कुछ images हैं इसकी. I mean, the corridors are very sharp and they are imaginative. तो इस तरह की चीज़ बहुत मुश्किल है. It's all government buildings. These are all government buildings. इसमें कोई अब granite नहीं लगाया मैंने. I have not used any materials, but nothing stops us from using my intelligence, and nothing stops us from what we have learned as professionals. वही materiality है, वही spaces हैं, उनको जोड़ना कैसे है. बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि यार ये जो porch बनाया है, ये 5-star का porch है. मैं कहा yes होगा, ठीक है, वही चीज़ है, वही तो porch है. इधर बना देता है, इधर बना देता है. So these things make up my architecture, which I feel is a continuity of 50 years of the office and 70 years of understanding and 100 years of modernism in India. Spirit is necessary to discover it. Art har jagah hai. I tell everybody, it's how you fundamentally find it. It's our project in Bhopal. It's a very interesting project. My father's design, my son worked on it in details, and I went and sold it. So 3 generations worked on this project. He was 86 at that time.
He always forgets to take my name, so it's okay.
She's always there, yaar. अरे यार ये गड़बड़ हमेशा हो जाती है. बीवी का नाम भूल देता हूँ. I just said that we take you for granted. I love you. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So this is the book which is coming up now. My architecture is called Cubist Modernism, and Cubism जो art form है, Modernism जो हमने अपनाया है, उनका मिश्रण करके this is coming out. Thank you friends for this very short brief journey. Thank you so much. Now I give the mic to my wife, Purnima.
Hi everyone. This is our journey together. I was born in Agra. My inspiration was always Taj Mahal. Since 5 or 6 years old, I used to go for walks with my grandfather there. I said, ये तो ऐसी चीज़ तो मैंने बनानी है. I belong to all doctors. There is no architect, no engineer in our family. All my brother, sister, my chacha, everyone, all doctors' family. So since childhood, I wanted to be an architect. At that time, I didn't know even what architecture was. Only Taj Mahal was there. So then I went to Lucknow College. I met Sangeet and I got married to him. And I came to Chandigarh. And there were shades you can say, not shadows, shade. My father-in-law, my husband, and too much pressure. So I developed my own style and my own thing. I worked on these 7 philosophies, less is more, integrating art and architecture, geometry, the staircases, the working with these 5 elements.
Pressure का ये मतलब नहीं कि हमने मारा पीटा भाई. What she is trying to say is there was so much of pressure of the profession that this is how she had to make her own niche as such. मैं बता दूँ इनको यार.
हाँ नहीं. It is all the girls here. If you marry an architect, and that too in architecture family, be careful. Be careful. So this was a very small 300 square feet of an area in which they wanted 40 people to sit. This is called chai bubble. And they wanted to serve different type of tea. And tea was the element. So window, instead of putting blinds, I just put posters of tea and sayings, so that, and it became such a hit place. Every student, everyone wanted to work there. And these are again smaller spaces, the Oven Fresh Cafe, small cafes which we tried to give very different interior colors and designing their artifacts. My idea was to do art in architecture. In every house, I designed my mural and I painted there. That was a mural done for a jewelry shop, which we made it, and then this was the final outcome. That was my sketch. And this was in somebody's house. I took inspiration from People Ka Patta and lit it from behind. So that's how I keep working. That was for physiotherapy, sports clinic, we did that mural. That was in some office. This was in an Egyptian themed restaurant. We designed these lamps. These are some of my sketches. This is in hospital. That is a secular temple. I designed all these things, and then I'm very impressed by these pyramid forms. So we did this temple of faith. Whoever gets well, he hangs a bell in this jali we did there. So that's how things go on working. As I belong to doctor family, so I love doing these small hospitals. This was Aikai Hospital in Ludhiana. What I took from Chandigarh is love of bricks. Initially, I knew only marble as a material, but then love of bricks came naturally. So in every building, the brick has to be there. This is a hospital in Agra. As I was telling you, geometrical forms, circle is my favorite form. Every place I have a circular element in my. These are some, again, geometrical cross forms. These circular OTs, they work very well. In a smaller hospital, we try to make a circular OTs. And staircase. Staircase as an element, as a focal point in residences. Like yesterday, I was talking about the shooting in a film. That was that house, Mrs. Chitkara's house. They had shooting on that. The hero-heroine stood on that mid-level balcony, and that was their proposal scene was shot there. So that was the thing. And these are some artifacts which I designed, these lamps, these bookshelves, and those lights and things. What I tell every student, I teach in a college also as a visiting, that you have to feel the spaces. Feel them with your heart, to design for the people and listen to the client very, very carefully. It's on us to do their dreams, to fulfill their dreams and work on that. This is another office. He says कि मेरे को दो ही color चाहिए, grey, yellow and black. So we did for them. And it was also shortlisted for some interior projects, so that was very nice. This is all four of us, and the joining of third generation. After Shivansh joined, we did this house, the luxury house which I was talking about. This is a house in Agra we are doing. This is done with a facade of marble, stone walls and all that. So this is still at finishing stage. Maybe next time I'll share more pictures. This is Shivansh's project, RT Global, totally on he's working on total concrete based project. This was a shortlisted competition, small house competition. This is another thing which we are working on with Shivansh and Sangeet and myself together. It's in Ethiopia, Africa. We are working on used building. And this was another shortlisted project which we did this was library at Riyadh. That's all we are doing with Shivansh, and young generation has joined, so working more on new materials, new softwares and things. And now I can call, I had a shade of Bargad people. Now bamboo has joined me. So another three men in my life, and they are all overpowering men. So I call myself a little rosebud who's trying to come out from here and make my own mark. Thank you, everyone.